for m square and n square in this expression above. So let's do them one after the other. So how can we simplify m square minus n square? So it becomes what? Your m square we say is what? A square plus 2ab plus b square, right? Then minus n square becomes minus, what's your n square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So we can expand the brackets. So what do you have? A square plus 2ab plus b square minus, now the minus affects everything in the bracket, so it becomes minus a square, minus times minus becomes plus, plus 2ab, then minus times plus becomes minus, minus b square. Now if you take like terms, you can see that a square and a square will cancel out because a square minus a square is 0. Also b square minus b square is 0. So you are left with what? 2ab plus 2ab. It becomes 4ab. So we have simplified m square minus n square. Now let's simplify m square plus n square. So m squared plus n squared is the same as what? A square plus 2ab plus b square, that's for m square, plus, what's our n square? Remember our n square is this expression, a square minus 2ab plus b squared. So let's add the terms. A square plus a square will give you what? 2a squared. And what? We have 2ab minus 2ab will cancel out. So b square plus b square will give you what? Plus 2b squared. Now this can be factorized. Your 2 is common. It becomes what? 2 into a square plus b squared. So that's your expression for m square plus n square. Now how do we get the final value, which represents m to the power of 4 minus n to the power of 4? We multiply both values we have gotten for each of them. So m square minus n square multiplied by m square plus n square is the same as what? 4ab multiplied by what? 2 into a square plus b square. Now 4ab times 2, 4 times 2 is 8, so you have what? 8ab into a square plus b square. And this is your final answer. So we have shown that this expression on the left hand side equals to that on the right hand side.